So a lot of people hate on CES. They say it's a show of vaporware, products that get shown off but that never come to market. Well, here we have a success story. This is Ovis by ForwardX, previously seen at last year's CES as CX1. Then it was a prototype, now it's a real product. It costs $799 and it looks like a normal suitcase, but it's not a normal suitcase. It has 5 cameras around here and you get a wristband with it. And what it does is you don't have to carry it around an airport or wherever, it'll just follow you. It can see your wristband and it'll follow it and follow you. And if you get more than 6 meters away from the suitcase, your wristband will give off an alert, the suitcase will hear it, and it'll come to where it hears the sound, it'll see you, and it'll follow you. So $799 sounds like a lot for a suitcase, and it kind of is, but the technology here is pretty cool. So there's 5 cameras in there, and they follow you around, but because there's AI technology in those cameras, it can avoid other people, so if you're walking through a crowded airport, it won't bump into people. And with the technology and the wristband that comes with it, if you get more than 6 meters away from it, the wristband will emit these vibrations that the suitcase can hear, and it'll follow the vibrations, and then once it sees you, its camera sees you, it'll come directly to you. So $799 sounds like a lot, but for me, I came to CES this year all the way from Australia, and when I got to LAX airport, I stupidly left my suitcase for about 30 seconds, and then it just vanished. And having to spend $500 on a week's worth of clothing the first day of CES sucks really bad. The suitcase was at the last 2 CESs as a prototype, but now this is the real deal. ForwardX says if you buy it now, it'll be at your doorstep in a week.